It's April Fool's Day, isn't you? Lots of showers, as my picture suggests, we had yesterday, and unfortunately it's a bit disappointing this weekend. This big lump of cloud is the next area of low pressure. Timing could be better, but unfortunately it's arriving just in time for the weekend, sweeping some rain over a good part of England and Wales initially, as it travels its way steadily northwards, and then I think eventually bringing some of that rain across parts of Scotland. Then next week it looks quite interesting. We build an area of high pressure not too far away from Norway, southern Scandinavia. We keep these weather fronts out to the west, and as a result we'll probably find some quite warm air coming up from the south. That's going to lift those temperatures back up and hopefully give us somewhat warmer conditions by the middle part of the week. That shows up quite nicely on the temperature charts as this change in colour across central parts of England and Wales. We see those deeper hues suggesting temperatures back up to around 25, even 26 by Wednesday. But back to this afternoon, I don't think we're going to anywhere near those sort of figures. 22 or 23 the top temperature. Generally for the whole of the United Kingdom, those temperatures are about average for the time of year. But unfortunately, it's a bit disappointing into the weekend with showers or longer spells of rain. Well, let's look at Europe, because here we're likely to see some showers coming and going as well, especially in northern parts of Europe. Lots of sunshine, Spain, Portugal through the Mediterranean, and one or two of those showers on Sunday could turn up for the Hungarian Grand Prix. Now, it will be hot, 32 or 33, but the risk of those showers turning up on race day, and some of those showers could turn out to be heavy and thundery. For the cricket, well, a fine afternoon, I think, in Leeds, Headingley, but also likely to see some outbreaks of rain into the weekend, so perhaps the best day's play today before rain arrives through Saturday and Sunday. Now, showers are going to come and go through today, nowhere near as heavy or as frequent as we saw yesterday, and then thicker cloud coming into the southwest. That's that next area of low pressure arriving. It's going to be with us in the first half of the night as well. Now, under the clear skies across Scotland, we're looking at another cold night, 6 to 8, but in the south, slightly warmer conditions with a blanket of cloud, no lower than 13, 14 or 15 degrees. But also, I'm afraid, we're going to see some rain. It starts off in the south and spills its way steadily northwards. Showers, I think, into Northern Ireland. A good part of Scotland should stay dry, some of that rain turning heavy, and then by the time we get to Sunday, that low moving into Scotland, so here they'll see some more rain arriving later in the day. Now, in the south, we'll see a scattering of showers for England and Wales, but that persistent rain and low cloud down the eastern parts of England and Scotland could make it rather miserable. Eventually, things improving somewhat into Monday. I think in general we're likely to see it getting somewhat warmer as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, but rather wet